guys, we are entering the trailhead right now. That's what it looks like. There are 3 trails here. You want to go through that, Brittany?
Yep, we're going to do the Falls Branch Trail, which is in red here. So we're at the trailhead, and we're actually going to go, it's a 1.6 mile moderate trail, and there is a waterfall, I think, right here. They usually have also a large trail, which is over 5 miles. The Dam Mountain Trail, that's closed for hunting season, and then there's also the Horseshoe Mountain Trail, which we haven't done yet either.
Let's go. Guys, it's a very beautiful trail, as you can see. And the sun is out. You can see the sunlight coming through the trees, which is beautiful.
It's a really easy trail. It gets a little rocky in some areas, but the elevation gain is only 200 feet, and it's a little under 2 miles. It's rated as moderate on the AllTrails app, which is what we use to find our trails. Dogs on a leash, of course, are perfectly fine. We found a couple of other dogs on the trail as well. It's a pretty busy trail, but we've also seen like little kids doing it too. So it's a good trail. For it. Some beautiful fall colors out there. He's just living his best life. It's a really popular area. Lots of kids were out here skipping stones, and everybody. Yeah, it's very busy, but in a good way. It's not overcrowded. We've definitely been on heavier traffic trails. Dog friendly. Everybody's been really happy about him being around. Weather's beautiful. Just absolutely gorgeous trail, honestly. We were just talking, and I think this might be my favorite trail we've done so far in Arkansas. Maybe. Just really gorgeous. Views of the lake. Really gorgeous. It's about noon. It's probably about 1 o'clock now. It's about noon when we hit the trail. The weather here is nice enough that it's not too hot. It's not too bad. Lots of good sunlight. It's okay, bud. He gets very nervous if I'm not with him. Come on, Bubba. We're going. Good job.
Slippery.
Woo. Swing bridge is all broken. It's a video, babe. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe.